Hello everyone, Stephen Hawking here. 2015 is the year world leaders sign up to the global goals. They are an ambitious to-do list to eradicate poverty, save the environment, and make the world a fairer place for everyone. Where every woman and every man has the chance to live a healthy, secure life, full of opportunity and love. The more people who know about them, the more likely our leaders are to stick to them. So this is our attempt to let every person in the world know what is at stake. People cannot fight for their rights if they do not know what they are. I would be hugely grateful if you would share this video with your friends, family and fans, and ask them to search for global goals online. To save the world, we need everyone to tell everyone. I am very aware of the preciousness of time. Help us seize the moment. The time to act is now. Thank you.